Oh my goodness, that was such a good story. That was such a good story. Thank you. Thank you for the story. And I love you. I love you. Oh, I know you do. Yes. I love you. I love you. I love you. Say, I love you too. I love you too. Oh, that's so good. I love you. I love you. I love you too. I do. I love you too. Hi, sweetie. I love you. I love you. Oh, I love you too. Oh, you're so sweet, aren't you? I love you. I love you. Yes. Are you ready for bed? Are you ready for bed? Yeah, you are. I think so. I love you too. And are you ready to be swaddled? Huh? Are you ready? Oh, goodness. Oh, my. Such a story. Really? Oh, my goodness. That was a good bedtime story. That was a good one. That was a good one. Oh, my. And how did it end? Oh, my goodness. It's choking you up, huh?